Joining us now is Tracy Gaither. She is from California, but was visiting Lahaina with her husband for their wedding anniversary. Tracy, we're so glad that you and your husband are safe right now, but tell us what you are experiencing at this moment. We understand you're still in your hotel in Lahaina.
Yes, we're in our hotel. We have no electricity. We have no hot water. There's about 20% occupancy still, and the Royal Lahaina Resort is graciously letting all of its employees who've lost their homes, which is almost everyone I've spoken to, stay here indefinitely until they need to. But we are safe because we're just about 6 miles north. But the stories I've heard from people, like employees here, and then people that were totally lost their homes and everything they own. A lady I spoke to named Etna, she lived right in the condos across from Fleetwood's, and there's about 20 occupants there. And when she heard the howla winds coming down the mountain, and she said the trees were bowing down to the ground, and she could see smoke first coming down, and then the fires. They saw the fires within 10 minutes. They were down the hill. People were in their cars to get out and were lining the streets in just rows of cars. And as the fire came down, she was straddling a rock in the water. She jumped into the ocean and was holding on so that the embers would be put out when the fire hit her. And the cars all started exploding. And I know that you guys have a small number of fatalities, but from what I'm hearing from the employees here and their families that are on their side, it's hundreds of people that were trapped in their cars that couldn't get out. They wanted to watch the fires, is what she said, and sit with the air conditioning on. And luckily, she and about 30 other people jumped over the wall by the Cheeseburger in Paradise, and they were just holding onto the rocks, and the waves were keeping them wet until they survived.
This is just right out of a horror movie, Tracy, and it sounds like you're describing this could be absolutely even far worse than our worst fears in terms of how many people may have been trapped in their cars.
It is. I'm telling you, it is. They couldn't get out, and we are locked in our resort. There's police guarding the entrance to our resort. If we leave, we can't get back in. They want to stop looters, of course. So if you leave, you can't come back. And so my husband has been giving a couple people our room number so they can go get food, because our resort is only giving food to guests so they can preserve it for as long as they can. And it's pretty bad. Pretty bad.
Tracy Gaither, we're glad you're safe, but we're so sorry for everybody affected, and we know you're surrounded by them. So please pass along our best. Tracy Gaither, who is right there in Maui.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.